Hey folks, welcome back to another thrilling episode where we explore the mysteries of the universe. Imagine waking up one morning, only to discover that Earth has drifted away from the sun's gravitational pull. It's a scenario straight out of a sci-fi movie, but let's dive into what would really happen. Now, we're a rogue planet, wandering through the cold, dark void of space. What would happen next? The consequences would be immediate and severe. First off, without the sun's warmth, temperatures would drop dramatically. The Earth would start to freeze over, turning into a giant ice ball. Within a week, surface temperatures would plummet to minus 73 degrees Celsius, or minus 100 degrees Fahrenheit. This extreme cold would make survival on the surface nearly impossible. Most life on Earth, as we know it, wouldn't stand a chance. Plants, animals, and even microorganisms would struggle to survive. But could we humans find a way to endure? Well, humans are resourceful. We could move underground or into the deepest parts of the oceans. Why? Because these areas would be insulated from the extreme cold. Earth's geothermal heat could keep these areas warm enough to sustain life. Volcanic activity and hot springs would become our new best friends. We might also rely on artificial biospheres, using advanced technology to create pockets of habitable zones. These controlled environments could support plant growth and provide oxygen. Now, let's talk about gravity. Despite our new rogue status, Earth would still have its own gravity, maintaining our atmosphere to some extent. However, over time, without sunlight, plants would die off, leading to a collapse in the oxygen levels. This would pose a significant challenge for long-term survival. We'd need to find new ways to produce oxygen and food, perhaps through advanced hydroponics and artificial photosynthesis. These technologies could help us create sustainable living conditions. But what about finding a new star? Could Earth enter another star's gravitational field and become part of a new solar system? The chances of Earth naturally drifting close enough to another star are incredibly slim. The vastness of space makes such an encounter highly unlikely. Space is vast and rogue planets can roam for billions of years without encountering another star. The journey through the cosmos would be a lonely one. However, with enough advanced technology, humans could potentially steer Earth or construct massive space habitats to travel towards a new star system. This would require unprecedented levels of innovation and cooperation. But that's way beyond our current capabilities. The energy and resources needed would be astronomical, far exceeding anything we can currently achieve. So in the grand scheme of things, Earth becoming a rogue planet would be a catastrophic event, but not necessarily the end of humanity. Our survival would depend on our ability to adapt and innovate. We'd need to harness every bit of our ingenuity and resourcefulness to create new ways of living in such an extreme scenario. It would be a monumental challenge, but not an insurmountable one. The energy and resources needed would be astronomical. But human history is full of examples where we've overcome seemingly impossible odds. So, in the grand scheme of things, Earth becoming a rogue planet would be a catastrophic event, but not necessarily the end of humanity. Our survival would depend on our ability to adapt and innovate. We'd need to adapt, innovate, and rely on our ingenuity to survive in such an extreme scenario. It would be a monumental challenge, but not an insurmountable one. Alright, science enthusiasts, that's a wrap for today. If you liked this deep dive into rogue planets, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-bending space content. If you liked this deep dive into rogue planets, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-bending space content. Until next time, stay curious. Keep looking up and wondering about the incredible universe we live in.